Giving it all we got, giving it all.
Good morning, everybody. Today we are in Tampa Bay, Florida, and we made a stop over here at a Thai temple. I'm gonna try to pronounce this, okay? Here we go. Okay, here's my attempt. Wat Mongkol Ra Tanaram Tampa Buddhist temple. It's a Thai temple in the southeast of Tampa, and there's lots of Thai food and every Sunday here, and people from 9 to I think it's say 2, but they say that about if you get here after 12 you will miss out on a lot of food. They start running out of food, so make sure you get here at a decent time. We've arrived. It's 11 a.m. so let's see what they got. There's plenty of parking, and yeah, quite a lot of people here. And let's look for Nan. She's around here. Oh, that looks so good.
Thank you. Chicken ramen so far.
Ramen, oh, very nice.
Chicken fried rice.
That looks amazing. Oh, bak kaprao mai?
Bak kaprao, yeah.
Bak kaprao mu.
Chicken Thai.
Thai.
Yeah, medium spicy.
Okay.
Thai sausage with sticky light and lard.
This sausage, Chiang Mai Piao sausage? Or no? No? Okay. This Isan sauce? Okay.
Yeah.
ขอบคุณครับ Empanadas.
A veggie, chicken cream soda. Yogurt.
Do you want anything else?
No, I think I'm good. A very beautiful area here. Like I say, look at this. The temple is right by the waterway. I think it's a river or a canal of some sort. Not sure. Or an inlet. But this place has lots of places to sit down and eat. Oh, I see none over there.
And so here I am.
But look at this. Very nice. Look at all the fish. And oyster shells. How much was this?
$10.
$10 for four sticks. Sticky rice. Sesame seed balls. I had red bean inside. Dumpling. They have this big hall here for events and even prayers too. That's where they see those areas right there. There's 4 areas there. That's where the monk sit. do their chanting. This is what they call a spirit house. A place for spirits to live and talk to them and make offerings to them. And it's decorated in many different ways. This one is black and gold. In Thailand, a lot of people have this in their house.